Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have the great pleasure to show you this unbelievable Shelby GT350 replica. Over $300,000 has been spent on this car and it is unbelievable car. 65 GT350 in Wimbledon white. You've got the Stroker 347 Windsor, Victor Junior heads, comp cam, Motec fuel injection, scat rods, crank, VT Commodore electronic distributor, Gilmore belt drive. It's through to a 6-speed close ratio Richmond gearbox, RRS rack and pinion steering. So this is one of the first RRS cars. McPherson strut suspension and a 9-inch Ford rear end, 375 gears and 4-wheel disc brake. Check this out, listen to this machine. Look at those trumpets. Woo! Unbelievable. The sound of that baby. Wow. Just beautiful. Listen to the sound of it. I love that Mustang. Woo, baby. And we'll come around to the inside. And what a beauty, look at this. Racing harnesses and tacho on the dashboard, but all looks stock standard. Just in magic condition. That is, what a glamour. This is coming onto the market. Asking price is going to be in the mid 100s, and so basically half the price of what it costs to build it. You've got a real usable, basically a modernised classic. Look at that work of art in the engine bay, just spectacular. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll have the photos on Australian Muscle Car Sales website very shortly. Thank you for watching Muscle Car TV. Thank you.